Hello everyone. Today we are going to see the topic lipids. So lipids one of the significant macromolecules and it acts as structural components of cell membranes and it acts as energy storage sources and in signaling pathways. And plants store the greater part of their energy as carbs, that is basically as starch, and lipids mainly give protection to the crucial organs and shielding them from mechanical shock, and it is necessary parts of cell layer structures related to transportation across the cell films. So the term lipid is defined as the group of heterogeneous organic compounds which are soluble only in non-polar solvents, and it is naturally occurs in plants, animals and microorganisms, and these chemical features are present in broad range of molecules such as fatty acids, phospholipids, sterols, sphingolipids, terpenes and etc. So these are the esters or amides of fatty acid and it can be soluble in water. So lipids is made up of two molecules, one is glycerol and another one is fatty acids. Glycerol molecule consists of 3 carbon atoms with a hydroxyl group, and fatty acids are the long chains of hydrocarbons with the carboxylic group at the end. So main function of the lipids, it acts as energy storage and it plays a very important role in building up of biological cell membranes. It acts as insulation, that is a poor conductor of heat, and it protects the plant leaves from direct heat and drying, and it is also sometimes acts as hormones in the body, and it provides color to many fruits and vegetables with the presence of carotenoid pigments. So lipids can be classified into 3 types: simple, compound and derived. Simple, it comes under triglyceride and waxes, where compound is phospholipid and glycolipid, and derived steroids, sterols and carotenoids, where triglyceride is further divided into glycerol and fatty acid. Fatty acid is saturated fatty acid and unsaturated fatty acids, where unsaturated is monounsaturated and polyunsaturated. So simple lipids are the triglycerides. These are the esters of fatty acids and wax esters, and complex also called as compound. These are the esters of fatty acid with groups along with alcohol and fatty acids, and derived is the hydrolyzed compounds of simple and complex. Example, lipid soluble vitamins and hormones. Simple lipids, where triglycerides, glycerol. Triglycerides are lipid molecules that are esters formed from one glycerol molecule associated with 3 fatty acid molecules. These are the constituents of fats and oils. Lipids, that is solid at room temperature, which is termed as fats, where lipids that are liquid at room temperature are termed as oils. Glycerol, it's a odorless, colorless, viscous liquid that is sweet tasting and non-toxic, and it is the backbone. It is known as glycerides. Fatty acids are carboxylic acids. It is the important component of lipids. They are the building blocks in the body. Saturated and unsaturated fatty acids are the 2 types. Saturated fatty acids, it consists of single carbon single atoms. These molecules fit closely together in a regular pattern, and these fatty acids have high melting points which makes them solid at room temperature. Some of the examples of palmitic acid and stearic acid. Unsaturated fatty acids are the fatty acids that consist of one or more carbon double bond carbon bonds. It is divided into mono, polyunsaturated fatty acid and polyunsaturated fatty acids. So examples of polyunsaturated fatty acids are oleic acid, and the examples of polyunsaturated is linoleic acid. So below is the diagrammatic representation where above is single carbon atom and the below picture shows double carbon atoms. Thank you.